Perhaps one of the most beloved pastimes at Thanksgiving is cooking traditional family recipes. Cookbook author and founder of the food website grandbabycakes.com, Jocelyn Delk Adams, joins us to share some of her twists on Thanksgiving favorites, as well as talk about the launch of Libby Vegetables' 9th annual Cansgiving contest with a chance to win a $5,000 college scholarship. Thanks for being here.
Well, this year I'm going to take some of those classic family recipes that we know and love, and I'm actually change them a bit. So here I've got dinner rolls, but I've added some potatoes into the dough and really made them fluffy and rich. And then here I have a green bean casserole, but I've added more garlic to it, some mushrooms, and then a panko breadcrumb that adds that nice crunch and texture. So I'm excited to be here to partner with Libby's on the announcement of their annual Cansgiving contest. And basically, we're asking cooks to take their family recipes that they make for the holiday season, take a can of Libby's vegetables and revamp them and make them fun and exciting. You can enter from November 8th through the 28th for a chance to win $5,000, and you can post a photo on IG, on Instagram, using hashtag Libby's Cansgiving Contest, or you can visit libbyscansgiving.com.
Happy Thanksgiving, and for Northwest Lifestyle, I'm Nicole DeCosta.